Alright guys, so you already know the purpose of this video. As mentioned in the title of the video, it is part 3 of the paranormal stuff. And as always, is my boy Israel in his very first paranormal video with me. And Rodrigo isn't here, he's actually working.
He's
doing the late shift, exactly. So it is 3:10, 3:12 maybe. And yeah, in the AM, absolutely. And we're gonna be shooting some content, seeing how it is. We're not gonna be in the same area as we were last time, even though I would love it to be there. And we're gonna be in the second most haunted area of the house, which is the middle room, I guess you'd say. So let's get into some fun stuff and see how it goes. We got little apps that we kind of just want to test out, you know, little paranormal apps and stuff like that, and other stuff such as that. So let's have some fun. Peace. I could have sworn I heard footsteps just straight up ahead, and it literally says ahead right over here.
Bathroom saw you, bro.
I have to take a piss.
It's kind of weird, dude. Look at that. That yellow bar, but look at how quiet it got out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Groaning. It's dead.
I'm gonna hold my pee. Dude, I heard breathing. Like heavy breathing all the way out there.
Really?
Yeah.
What's up, J lovers?
I'm not a pussy when I say this, but could you escort me to the bathroom? Please?
Sure.
It is 3:28. We figure why not start early. We're gonna try out something else known as the Sono X10 SpiritBox. Some mixed reviews, but overall, the bad reviews that it did get was because of the fact that it worked a little too well. So if you do not know what a SpiritBox is, basically, I believe it's like a device where it like flips through like channels, ultimately creating like white noise, and you'll be able to hear like certain like words come out as you ask questions. Basically, if you don't know what it is, I'll leave links down below. So to see like other videos that use spirit boxes or just more information on them.
Did it say my name?
Hold up,
Israel.
Israel.
Then I heard California or Cala, right?
Please put on.
I heard my name again. I don't know.
Yeah.
Or it could be please put on, who knows?
Guys, 3:33 a.m. Okay. How many people are here? Two?
Two, I think. Three.
3, 2, 1.
Run.
1. I heard Joseph. Paranormal.
I heard Joseph for a second.
Also, I heard like just kill me. Is there anything you wish to say? Look at me. No turning on.
I'm sorry.
I heard I'm sorry too.
Oh, don't. Please.
How many people are there? 3.
Same as last time.
Yeah.
So at least they're consistent.
That was really clear too.
H, letter H.
Okay, so I'm gonna go with
We know. It hurts.
okay. I'm gonna try something out here.
Okay.
It's gonna be a little risky here.
What are you trying to do?
All right, so if you are here, I ask that you touch my hand.
I saw like a little piece of lint. Entity?
I heard entity.
Feels the same.
Feels the same? Okay. So you know when you keep your hand extended like this, I don't know if like it starts to fall asleep, feel colder, or if it like...
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to keep from happening.
Usually with ghosts, it feels colder, right?
Yeah. Can you remember my name? You remember what my name is? Yeah. Yeah, come down.
Is it Hispanic?
Hispanic? I'm stuck. Where are you? Here.
I heard Earth. Like
Earth? I just have to ask, do you not like us communicating with you right now?
Yeah. That was pretty.
That was an instant response.
Yeah, it was.
I'm stuck. That's the second time you heard that.
Yeah.
Where are you stuck? Where are you? I'm... Whoa. Every once in a while, I'll hear like a very deep growling type noise
Yeah.
or sound.
Want me to try mine? I'm pretty sure this could use a different station.
Should I turn mine off?
Sure. Goodbye for now.
Wait, I heard ether?
Yeah, I heard that too.
That's, from what I read up on, ether is like the land above the clouds. So basically just like, I don't know if that's considered like a heaven or something like that, but it's just above the clouds from what I hear. Okay, we're, back. Do you prefer to communicate through here? I heard kill yourself.
Yeah, I heard the kill. Yeah, I heard kill. I think he was saying kill yourself. That's not funny.
No? Hmm?
I just heard it say suicide.
Are you serious?
Yes.
And I literally said kill yourself earlier too. Do you think we are good or bad people? Good? Thank you. Now just know that we mean no harm. We just wanted to be able to take a chance to communicate with you guys and girls, and I hope we knew. Okay. Yes? Was there something you wish to ask me? Go to sleep? Jose. Did you say my name? How does it feel? How does what feel?
Strange.
No. Okay. I'm just gonna recap on everything I heard.
Yeah, I would just edit everything in
Yeah.
a compilation of responses.
I'm stuck again.
He sounds stuck. Thinks he's repeating himself.
My bad, kill the camera. And I've been hearing them call me sir a lot too. Sir, once again.
It's really late.
Yeah.
It's way past your bedtime. Whoa.
So maybe we do have to go to sleep. I heard go to sleep.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will go to sleep. But I just want to say it was a pleasure getting to talk to every single one of you. And just thank you for communicating with us.
I know I joke, but I also want to say thanks for your time. You know, I get carried away with my remarks sometimes, but know that I'm just being friendly. I tease with my friends, and you know, I'm treating you like as if you're a friend. And yeah, good night.
And it's time to go. Goodbye. Goodbye. Do not know if I'll be able to say everything in here because I'm on one bar right now. But the thing is, we've heard a couple voices loud and clear, and we're hearing the same voices consistently, which is really interesting. And honestly, I feel like we made a lot of progress today being able to communicate with whatever was out there. And this was probably more effective than actually the Ouija board video. This was an incredible experience, and I actually honestly do hope that we do this again. And this was like really highly requested as well too. And after everything that I've seen today, I genuinely believe that like there is some stuff happening. Especially how you had the one guy constantly saying I'm stuck multiple times throughout the entire video. And then okay, they did mention that there was 3 people. And if you go back to the Ouija board video, I believe they also said that there was 3 people as well too. I'll go back to the footage and I'll check for myself. But there's just a lot happening to the point where it's kind of overwhelming. But other than that, it's been an incredible experience. Now, leave a like down below, share out the video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications just so you can see more posts such as this. And once again, major shout out to my boy Israel right over here. Thank you very much for joining me on this video.
Yeah, for sure. It was a good time. Good time, you know, making this video and also just having a conversation with those who are no longer here.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely. And honestly, yeah. Once again, share out the video, do all that stuff. And just thank you very much for your support and helping us out. If you want to see another video like this, feel free to let me know down in the comment section and comment down below things that you may have heard that we may have missed, or just certain visual stuff or anything like that. Love you guys. Have an amazing day. Peace out.